Alright, so this is a trampoline, this is a Rubik's Cube, and this is only one hand. So, I'm going to be solving this on the trampoline with one hand, which I'll be honest, I'm not very good at. So, I'm just going to scramble this up. I know. Now, I'm not very good at solving one-handed, so this could go well. So, I'm just gonna... Alright, so let's see how well I can do this. 3, 2, 1, go. So, like I said, I don't do one hand. Where's the white hand? There it is. So, this might be a bit... Oh no. When I usually solve one hand, I usually do it with a table. But... oh my goodness. I haven't even solved the cross yet. Jeez. This is... Okay. A bit of progress. Alright, where is the blue-red edge? There it is. There it is. Okay. If you can see that, I hope you can. Oh my god, did I do it right? No. I am turning pretty slowly because I do one hand, like I've said. Oh my god, it's really hard. Okay, I'm doing this with my right hand. Maybe I should have done this with my left hand because that's what people usually do. I've got 2 pairs in. Oh my goodness. Okay, double move. Should probably go like this. Maybe. I can use wide moves. No skip, so I'll go like that. Oh no, hang on. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I have no idea what happened there. It's dirty. I haven't even finished F12 yet. Alright, let's just count that. Alright. Back to jumping again. Yeah, my cube's dirty. Alright. L. Oh goodness. And let's see. Ooh. Nice, okay. And I'll do it like this. J-perm with one hand. Okay, this bit should be easy. Oh, almost dropped it again. What was it? U-perm. Okay, I'll do the RU version. There you go. There's the Rubik's Cube being solved with one hand on a trampoline. Well, accidentally dropping it once, but there you go. Alright, see you next time.